Hi guys, Tonches here, and today I'm going to show you how to make kick and bass for the Melbourne bounce. First step, we need to find some punchy kick. I rename this to kick. Okay, let's check some kicks. This nice. Okay, I use this one, the G kick. Uncheck use lock points. I put the mixer to channel 1, put to mono, add some equalizer, cut some frequency. Like this one. Okay, put some kickstart. And I look for some headroom. Download this application. I put link in this description. It's free. It showed me my kick going to 8. See, 8. I put minus 10 for the normal headroom for kick. Like this one, 10. Okay. A lot of people when making the bass make a lower, make a higher that kick, and then it's crap. So I show you how to make it correctly. Now we have the kick. I rename this one to kick. Put some color. I put blue one. We have the kick, so I put kick here. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to make some sub bass. Put some red color. Okay, put same to mono. Rename to bass. Okay, I normally for my sub bass using Anna plugin, but and the basic bass present, but now I have some error and I need to use some from sample. Okay, use direct wave, put channel 2, it's okay, and I need to find some G bass. Every time look your bass and kick in the same key and everything else. We need some low bass. This one is cool. Okay, so let's check this one. I make some melody. Now in FL Studio you can just hold shift and copy your notes. Like this one. So we need we use equalizer, could cut some high frequency like this one. My kick, we say like this one. Okay, now we need to make some mid bass and high bass. The channel 3. Put some equalizer, cut low frequency like this. Put some kickstart, light on sub bass, and I using some OTT compressor. Put to mono. Okay, I changed the color to red one and make the bass. Okay, now select these three, kick, sub bass, bass with one more. Go the last one, go track routing, route select to this track only. Okay, now we route all of this track to this one. I cut some low frequency like this one, like 30%. Put some no, I make it just like that. I make submix. Okay, now I can make really nice effect here. I use only this one. So I go to my submix, make one more equalizer and make like this. Okay, so it's looks something like that. So thank you for watching. It's my first video. Subscribe me, and sorry for my bad English. Bye.